What determines your product's organic ranking on Amazon? It's what I call the Amazon Trifecta. There's 3 parts, let's break it down. The first part is what I call discoverability. This is how Amazon's A9 search algorithm knows what your product is. The way you achieve discoverability is by including SEO keyword research terms into your product listing, into the product title, the product features, and even the search terms in the backend. That way Amazon knows if somebody searches one of those terms that your product is relevant and will serve it up in organic search results. The second step of the Amazon Trifecta is buyability. This is your detail page listing optimization. It's things like including a unique value proposition in your title. It's making sure that your product features are written specifically to your audience and include a feature and a benefit. It's making sure that you have great product photography, lifestyle images, and infographics, as well as good product reviews so that when a customer lands on that page, they know they want to buy your product. And discoverability plus buyability equals rankability. This means that over time, as customers search those terms and purchase your product is going to rank organically higher for that search term. And that's it. The Amazon Trifecta is so important for you to implement, making sure you understand the keywords that are most relevant for your product, what customers are actually searching for, and making sure you find a way to get in front of them to increase the organic sales of your product on Amazon. If you'd like to get more information, you can visit us online at marketplacesellercourses.com. Thanks for watching.